Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to message someone on Tumblr. Now you can use the fan mail feature which allows you to send private messages to other users if you want to message someone on Tumblr. How do you do this? Log into your Tumblr account, click on the small envelope icon in the upper right corner of the Tumblr window, click on the blue send fan mail button on the right. Type the name of the person you want to message in the send to section. Type your message in the text box below and click the blue send button at the bottom of the message window. Note: this feature is designed for sending private messages to other Tumblr users, not for posting comments on their blogs. If you want to comment on someone's blog post, you can do so by clicking the reply button under the post. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.